Okay. All right. What have we been talking about math this week? Let's review real quick. What have we been talking about in math? What are some things that we've talked about? Valerie?
Angles.
We've talked about angles. Very good. What are some different kinds of angles that we've talked about? John?
A right angle.
We've talked about a right angle. Very good. What else have we talked about? Damien?
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. Show me with your arms what obtuse looks like. Good. What other kind of angle have we talked about? Acute. Show me with your arms what acute looks like. It's like a little cute baby angle, right? Okay. All right. What else have we been talking about? We've been talking about angles. We've also been talking about
Line
Damien?
segments.
Line segments. Very good. Very good. Derek?
Array.
We've been talking about array, a line segment, points, right, John?
Parallel and.
We've been talking about parallel lines. Very good. What other kinds of lines have we talked about? Valerie?
Intersecting.
Intersecting lines, right? And intersecting lines do what? What do? They form, Landon?
We've also been talking about quadrilaterals.
We have been talking about quadrilaterals, yep. What do intersecting lines form? They form something when they intersect. Talia?
A right angle.
Not a right angle. You're close, but they form, John?
They form a.
It's okay.
Like they cross each other.
They do cross each other, so that means they form a
Point.
just an angle. They just form an angle. So when they cross each other, they form an angle. It could be an acute angle. It could be a obtuse angle, right? Or it could be a right angle. What does a right angle look like? Yep.
Straight up. Or like
Straight up and down, right. And it looks kind of
L.
like a L. It looks kind of like an L, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what I want you to do is, and we have been talking about quadrilaterals, we've been talking about shapes, different types of quadrilaterals, right? Somebody read the I can statement for today. And we're gonna do something a little different today. Valerie?
I can describe continuous triangles based on the number of sides that have equal lengths and by their angles.
And by their angles. So today we're going to talk about triangles. And what I want you to do is I want you on your board, I want you to draw before we open our books, we're just going to draw some angles, okay? So I want you for me to draw with your marker, draw me a acute angle. Draw me an angle that's smaller than a right angle. Draw me an angle that's smaller than a right angle. At just an angle. Good, Malia. Hold it up for me. Good. Very good, Landon. Very good. Good. Okay. Good. All right. Now draw me a right angle. Good, John. Good. Good. Just the angle. Just the angle.
Just the angle.
Just the angle. Try to make your lines a little bit more like an L. You're close. Good. Good, 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 good. Jalen, turn it so I can see it. Thank you. Good. Good, 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 good. Now draw me a obtuse angle, one that's greater than a right angle. Yeah. Very good, Kyler. Very good. 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 Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. Good. All right. Go ahead and erase your board. Now I want you to draw just draw a triangle. On your board. Just draw a triangle. Good. Okay. Raise your hand if you see the angles in the triangle. Do you see the different angles in the triangle? Yes. You do, right? So today, how many angles are in the triangle? Somebody tell me. Valerie?
3.
There's 3 angles, right? How many sides are there? Chandler? 3, okay? So today we're gonna look at different types of triangles based on their angles, all right? So go ahead and in your books, erase your boards. Erase your boards. And in your book, I want you to turn to the lesson with the triangles. Turn to lesson with the triangles. And raise your hand when you think you found the page. Raise your hand when you think you have found the lesson. What page, Trinity, do you think we're on?
510.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
510. Good.
Yes. And we get all the
510.
triangles.
When you have found that, put your thumb there. So I know you're ready to go. You ready, Sean? Tyler, you ready? Can't see it. Okay. All right. Good. Okay. Look at where it says on page 510 at the top. What does it say? Tell me what it says in your book. What's it say? It's the first thing it says. Valerie?
What are 2 ways triangles can be described?
Okay. What are 2 ways triangles can be described? So we're going to look at 2 ways. All right. What's one way? What's one way they can be described? What does it say in our book? Damien?
The triangles can be described by the number of sides they are of equal length.
Number of sides that are of equal length. And then what does it say? Right underneath that. Liam?
Draw a line to match the description of the triangle.
Okay, so do you see the triangles? Do you see the descriptions underneath? Okay, go ahead and draw a line to match that description. So look at the first description. It says no sides are equal in length. Do you see a triangle where there are no sides that are equal in length? Anybody see that? We're going to do this part together. We're going to do it together. Damien?
C and D.
I would say D. Yeah, C and D. Yeah, C and D. Yep, very good. C and D. Absolutely. No sides are equal in length.
So what do
Yep.
What do we?
So you're going to draw a line to
Yeah.
that. See where the words are?
No.
No sides are equal. We're matching. We're matching the words.
I know.
Good job. Yep. Yep.
Wow.
Just match the words. Nope. See how I said right here, no sides are equal length? We're going to match this with this.
I see what you mean, girl.
Yep, just like that. Good, Chandler. Yep, we're just matching the words. Does anybody else have a question? Okay, do you see these words? What do these words say? You're going to draw a line to C and D.
That one.
Okay, nope. Did I say right there? Where are we at? Right here. So you're going to draw your line all the way over here. No, you're not going to go through that dot, sweetie. The dots are there to connect. So if you see the words, okay, let's pretend these are the words, and these are the shapes. Do you see how you have a dot above the words? Do you see how you have a dot below the shapes?
Yes.
All you do is you connect your dots to show that that's the group. Do you see that? Okay, does everybody have that on their paper?
Wait, we connect the dots.
What do you see on the board?
Did
Did I match my words with my pictures?
No.
Okay, I did. So that's all you're doing. That's all we're doing. Okay,
Oh, I
look
thought you
at,
said put the line.
what did the directions say?
Draw a line to match the description of the triangle.
Okay, so what did you do? Did you draw a line to match the description? Okay, that's what you do. Okay, we're just following the directions. All right, look at the next one. Two sides are equal in length. Two sides are equal in length. What group do you think you're going to match that one with? Two sides are equal in length. Dylan?
The one right above it.
The one right above it. Yep. The one right above it. So you're going to match the one right above it. So B and E. You'll connect those dots. Very good. When you have that, put your thumb in the air. Good. Good.
Shaylin went ahead.
Means the only one. Sheila.
Okay, Shh. I'll walk around and see. Okay, all right, look at the third description. Three sides are equal in length. Where do you think that one's going to go to? Kyler? A, very good. So go ahead and connect the last one to A. When you have that, put your thumb there. Good, good. All right, let's look at the other way that triangles can be described. So somebody read to me what's another way. So we've talked about the sides. So now we're going to find the other way. What's the other way, Valerie?
Triangles can be described by the types of angles they have.
They can be described by the types of angles they have, okay? So what does it say we're going to do? What are the directions say, Malia?
Draw a line to match the description of the triangles.
Draw a line to match the description of the triangles. So does everybody see the angles in the triangles, Shaylin? Do you see that? Do you see the angles? Okay, all right. What does the first one say? What does the first one say, Talia?
First one says one angle is a right angle.
One angle is a right angle. So I want you to find the triangle or triangles that says one angle is a right angle. What triangles do you think that's going to be? Look at your list. Look at your list. What triangles have one right angle? Derek?
B and D.
B and D. Very good. So go ahead and draw your line over to B and D. Very good. Draw your line over to B and D. You don't need to circle that. Just don't cross through it. You're drawing your, see how you're connecting this point to this point? Okay. All right. What's the next one say? Damien?
One angle is greater than a right angle.
One angle is greater than a right angle. So, which one do you think that one's going to be? One angle is greater than a right angle. Which one is that going to be, Chandler? C. Very good, Chandler. C. It's going to be C. Very good. See how open that one is? You see that? Just one of them. Just one of those angles. Hey, what do you notice about C? That triangle. What do you think that the other ones are greater or smaller than a right angle? Smaller? Yeah, I think so too. Smaller. Yep. Yep, but it has one that's greater, right? So, but what about three angles that are less than a right angle? Where's that one going to go? Where's that one going to go? Wesley?
To A and E.
To A and E. Very good. To A and E. So connect them. The only one left. Very good. So connect them to A and E. Very good. Good. Okay. All right. Look over at number 1. Sean, sit up, please. What are the directions for number 1? Chandler?
Write the number of sides of equal length.
Write the number of sides of equal length. Kyler, what sides do you see that are of equal length? How many do you see that are of equal length? 2. Yep, 2 sides are of equal length. Very good, Kyler. So we're going to write 2. 2 sides are of equal length. I'm on number 1. Okay, when you have that written, put your thumb in the air so I know you're ready to move on. Wesley, please put the marker down. We're not needing our marker right now. Okay? Triangle blank has one right angle. What do you think that one's going to be? Triangle blank has one right angle. What are we going to put for that one?
It's kind of like a cheat sheet.
It is kind of like a cheat sheet, absolutely, because you can just look over. Wesley? F. Very good, Wesley. F. The letter F. Okay? Triangle blank has one angle greater than a right angle. What do you think is going to go there? Derek?
H.
H. Very good. Because we just matched the words, right? So we kind of know now what they look like. Okay? What about number 4? Triangle blank has 3 angles less than a right angle. What are we going to put for that one, Liam?
G.
G. Yep. G. Very good. The only one left.
He was-
Okay. Go ahead and do the on your own part. And I'm going to walk around and I'm going to make sure you're doing it correctly. So go ahead and do the on your own. Very good, guys. Make sure you're reading the directions, students. Good job, Landon. Good one. Let me look at that one again. Look at that shape again. Okay, Dylan, will you be my class expert and help me check? Thank you.
Wait, wait.
Just raise your hand when you're done.
Don't
and
look
we'll
at
walk around
mine,
and check.
Shaylin.
Wesley, be nice. Wesley, you can put your pencil in your book.
Good.
And close it. Okay.
Letters are correct, just not numbers. Hello. I'll check with you. You're correct.
What is that supposed to be? Well, read your sentence. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Okay. So go back and read the full sentence. And then fill in the blank.
Yep.
So put it in a sentence. Did you count how many? Did you count how many for that one? Did you count how many for that one? Count how many for that one? Mm-hmm. It does have 3, but does it have does it have three angles, but does it have three angles that are right angle? Or less than right angle? What did we say that shape was? It is a triangle, but did we say that it has three angles less than a right angle? Is that what we matched it with over here? Pull it over here. No, that's not. Look back at what we matched it with and look at that shape. Wesley, shh. Did you get yours checked?
Try to fix it.
Try to fix it?
Yeah.
Done? Done. Put your thumb up if you are finished.
I'm confused on the number for 6.
What? You said that one is right. That's correct. So it has two sides of equal length. That's correct. Go to your next one. Find one that has, we've already used this one. It helps you because now you're just looking at these two. Okay? Don't get frustrated. Just look back and see the answer.
It's my brother.
No. How many sides? You have to, John, look at me. In order to do this, you have to read what it's saying. So you have to look at how many sides it has. How many sides? So you said triangle. Okay. Less than a right angle. Okay. That's what we matched over here. Look over here. See this one? 3 angles are less than a right angle. Okay. All right. And then it says, and here's the blank sides of equal length. How many sides of equal length? Didn't we match that up here? Isn't that what we said?
I finished the two, I guess myself.
Okay, all right. Go ahead and let's go over it really quick before you do your exit ticket. Okay, what does number 5 say? What does number 5 say? Chandler.
Triangle blank has one right angle and appears to have blank sides of equal length.
Which triangle has a right angle? And we're going to do it together. Which triangle has a right angle? And you can just fill it in. Valerie? N. N has a right angle, okay? And it appears to have blank sides of equal length. Blank sides of equal length. Why don't you look over at your cheat sheet. Look over at your cheat sheet. Look at the one we did for sides. How many sides of equal length? Kyler?
2.
2. We said that the right triangle has 2 sides of equal length, correct? Okay. All you got to look over is what we just did in the example, right? So, number 6, triangle blank has 3 angles that are less than a right angle. Which triangle did we say that had that? Look at the shapes. So which triangle would it be? Triangle blank has 3 angles less than a right angle. Sean?
That would be triangle.
Triangle K. Very good. Triangle K. And then it says, and appears to have blank sides of equal length. So look back at your cheat sheet. How many sides of equal length did we say it has? Talia? 3. Very good. 3. All right, number 7. Last one. Triangle blank has angles greater than a right angle. Greater than. So if you look back at your sheet that we did, you should be able to match the pictures with the letter. So, what do we need to put for that one? It's the only one left. Kyler?
L.
L. Very good. And that appears to have blank sides of equal length. Blank sides of equal length. What did we say? Damien kind of told us in the beginning when we were doing the cheat sheet. Damien?
It has 0.
It has 0. 0 sides. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. All right. Go ahead and we are going to close our books, and you guys are going to do your exit tickets. I printed them off for you.
Yes.
And then once you, yep. Waiting for you guys. Please don't do that. Okay. Once you finish your exit ticket, Trinity, you should be, what does it look like when you're in the ready position? Thank you. Thank you. I want to make sure you hear my directions. Once you finish your exit ticket, then you can move your number. Does everybody understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what if you move your number, and I'm going to go ahead because we all start at 1, correct? Because we don't know what the lesson is, so we all start at 1 at I need help, right? So what's the next one? What's the next one? Remember, this is how we feel about the lesson. So what's the next one up? Wesley?
I am trying.
I'm trying. Yep, I'm trying. So if you feel like you're trying, but maybe you don't quite understand it yet, you might want to move up to this one. What about number 3? Malia? I can do it by myself. That means I don't have to help you. Your partner doesn't have to help you. You can do it by yourself, and you can get it right. Okay? And you can get it right. All right? What is 4? And it's okay to still say it at 1, guys. That's okay. I just dropped one. There you go.
I think one in the cup.
You need a cup?
Yes.
Okay. What is 4? What is 4? Damien?
I can help another person.
I can help someone. So you know it so well that you can actually teach them, like I teach you. Okay?
But no.
All right. So your exit ticket is the same thing that we just did. Listen, it's the exact same thing. You are putting the triangles into the words with the words in the cup. Okay? You're putting the letter of the triangle in the cup that goes with that triangle. Okay? Got it? Now, listen to this. You need to read the directions. It says each triangle can go in at least 2 buckets. That means the triangle, the letter, can go in 2, or it can go in more than 2. Do you understand? So you have to read the words, guys. You have to read the words that describe the triangle. Read the words, and then say, okay, does this go with D? Does this go with E? And you just put the letters in there. Yes.
Is that why there's 7 cups and only 6 triangles?
No, but that's a good question. So it can do more than 2, but it's at least going to be 2. So you might have a triangle that goes in 3 spots, guys.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, all right. And then you're going to do the bottom where it says sense or nonsense. That means you're going to tell me if this guy is right or wrong, Sean. Don't make noises. Right or wrong, right? All right. All right, go ahead. And you are doing this on your own. I'll give you about 10 minutes to do this. Okay? And it needs to be very quiet in here. No noises. I don't want to hear any noises with your mouth. None of that.
You show me it.
Yep, start whenever you get it. Put your name on it. Just put the letter. You don't need to put the word and. Because you got access through your letters. You might find another one that goes in there. Good question. minutes. Remember, guys, exit tickets are quick. You write what you learned, or try to use what you learned, and then move on. So they're a quick thing. So you got a few more minutes. She's 16. When you're finished and you're still waiting on someone else to finish, you can use your dry erase boards to write your math facts, but do not talk. You can write your math facts on your dry erase board while you're waiting, but no talking. I do 7s, 8s, and 9s since those typically are the harder ones. Markers will not eat. Or yeah, or falls. Okay, is everybody finished? Did everybody turn their exit ticket in and move their number?
Yes. Yes. I think so.
That's good. Nobody's
Okay.
still on one.
That's good. Yeah, we got a lot of people that are trying. That's good.